guys.
What do you want to tell them?
It's a channel.
Welcome back to our channel. Tell them what
Hello,
else.
channel.
What else you tell them?
I want to show them my red dress.
You want to show them your red dress?
Yeah.
But you're not fixed up.
Mommy, because I want to show them my red dress. Them know you can see things of boys.
Hmm?
No. The huggers, you can see boys and boy and girl, and you can see things. So.
Alright, you want to dress up?
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Channel.
And today we'll be doing
some dresses.
We'll be trying on dress. We'll be doing a try on haul with 4 princess dresses, right?
Yep, and then right here.
So stay tuned. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to our video and share.
Share.
So this will be your first dress.
Your first dress.
Your first dress that you're gonna try on. You like it?
Yeah.
Show them. Hold it up.
And then a princess dress, a princess dress.
What color is it? Has sparkle.
Sparkles.
It has brown and black. It's beautiful. You like it?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it on now. Stay tuned.
And number 1 dress.
This is dress number 1. Do you like it, Moya?
Yeah.
Turn around. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You like?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Honey.
What do you like about the dress?
Honey.
You like the honey color?
Yeah.
She says it look like honey. You like it? So that's dress number 1.
There's dress
Oh.
number 1.
It fit perfect? Tight?
No.
Comfy?
Yeah.
Okay. Next dress. So this is dress number 2. Go down more. Go down more. Go down more.
Okay.
So this is dress number 2.
It's dress number 2.
You like this one?
Yeah.
More. Do more poses. Yes. This dress make you feel good? Show them now. Hold it up. Hold up the dress. Hold up the dress. Nice dress. Turn the back around. Turn the back around. Wow, 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 Moya. You like this dress? You like the color?
Yeah, red.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, red like the ants.
Tell them to rate your dress.
Mommy, red like my dress. Mommy, red like the ants.
Yeah. Tell them to rate your dress.
Sweet.
So rate my dress and leave a comment down below what you think about this dress.
I think.
Yeah, tell them, what do you think about my dress?
Have a think of my dress.
So leave a comment down below on what you think about my dress.
Have a think of my dress.
It's cute, right? And it fits your color. I love it. Number 3 dress coming up.
Number 3, number 7, number
3.
3.
How are you feeling about it? Wow, wow, Moya. I love your dress. It's very cute and shiny. And you got some white shoes on to match?
Yeah.
You like it? How much do you love this dress?
Yeah.
You love it a lot? So why are you stamping now? This dress make you feel happy? This dress make Moya feel happy? Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Hey, 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 hey. Go, Moya. Go, Moya. In a pretty dress.
Say go, princess.
Go, princess. Go, princess. In your pretty dress. In your pretty dress. Hey, hey,
Go,
hey. Go, Princess Moya. So it's gonna be dress number 4.
Over there.
Yeah. Next. You like it? So show them that you like it.
Like it.
Turn the back around. Fit you good?
Yeah. And my teeth. Yeah, my white tooth.
Is it tight?
No.
Fit comfy?
Yes.
No more spinning. No more spinning. It's comfy? So give them a smile and give them a kiss. So this is dress number 3. How are you feeling about dress number 3? How are you feeling about it? Look, it feels good?
Yep.
You love your dress?
Yep.
Okay. So it's gonna be the last dress.
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna do it. But go back there. So we're gonna do. So tell them to leave a comment.
Comment by yo.
Yeah, so leave a comment down below and rate my dress.
Yup, this one.
You love that one? And it has gems?
Yep.
Come and show them your gems. Come up here and show them your gems. Show them your gems.
Mommy, what? Mommy.
You have to show them around here.
What show them my gems are better?
They're seeing it. There are 1 gems, 2 gems, and a beautiful pink heart gems right there. It's beautiful. You like it?
Yes. Take that over now.
So this is dress number 5.
Philadelphia dress.
So give them a kiss and tell them, say, do you like my dresses?
I like my dresses.
Oh, you doing all of that, Moya?
I like that. I'm so happy.
Why am I doing all of that? You happy? Turn around. Let them see the back. Let them see the back. Ooh, it fits perfect. Is it tight?
No.
It's not tight?
No.
Okay. Let them see the little bow at the side. Show them that you have a little bow at the side. Look at the side. Show them the bow at the side. Turn it. Not that. Let me see. Here, you have a bow right here. Show them. Right there, Moya. Yeah, show them. Wow, it's cute. It's a little tiny bow. Right at the side. And it got sparkly. So tell them, rate my dresses.
My dresses.
Comment down below.
Mommy, I look so cute.
You look like me?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so nice. That's so nice for you to say, Moya. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye. Hello.
Go back up. Go back up. Go back up.
Wanna hug a channel?
You're giving them hug and kisses on the channel? But they cannot feel that love. But tell them you're giving them love. Say,
No.
say leave a comment down below. Alright, say it now.
On the channel. Bye. 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 Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe and leave a comment down below. Like and share.
And cheers. What's this, Mommy? Yuck.
Yes, I love it.
Mommy.
What do you want to tell them?
A channel.
Welcome back to our channel. Tell them what
A
else.
channel.
What else you telling
I
them?
want to show them a mobile dress.
You want to show them your red dress?
Yeah.
But you're not fixed up.
Mommy, because I want to show them a mobile dress. Them know you can see things of boys. No. You can see boys and girls, and you can see things though.
Alright. You want to dress up?
Yeah.
Alright.
I want to put my red dress on.
Alright. We're going to do that. Alright.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel.
And today we'll be doing a try-on haul with lots of dresses.